heavy sentences for rugby players in high-profile French gang rape case. In a verdict that resonates deeply within sports communities and beyond, a French court in Bordeaux has imposed significant sentences on 3 former Grenoble rugby players for the gang rape of a student in 2017. The court's decision highlights ongoing issues of accountability and consent within the sporting environment. The convicts, Irishman Dennis Coulson and Frenchman Loic Jams, each received a 14-year prison sentence, while New Zealander Rory Grice was sentenced to 12 years. The ruling comes after they had been initially free pending trial, adding to the gravity of their sudden incarceration. The men had celebrated post-game when they met the victim, identified only as V, leading to the grievous events. The incident unfolded following a defeat of Grenoble by Bordeaux Bagels, after which the players and V met in a local bar. The night escalated to heavy drinking and ended horrifically for V, who testified she woke up in a hotel room with objects inserted into her body without her consent. The accused, however, claimed the act was consensual. The court also convicted Chris Farrell, an ex-Ireland international player, sentencing him to a partial house arrest for failing to intervene during the incident. Another player, New Zealander Dylan Hayes, received a 2-year suspended sentence for his non-action. Gacy Gross, representing the victim, emphasized the verdict as a strong societal message about women's autonomy and safety, expressing hope that it might challenge existing norms within sports and greater societal contexts about accountability and consent. Meanwhile, the defense has expressed shock and plans to appeal, questioning the court's conclusions and the interpretation of consent, contextualized within the victim's incapacitated state. Her blood alcohol levels were dangerously high, reflecting her vulnerability at the time. This case has stirred significant media attention and public discourse, paralleling a global reckoning with sexual assault allegations within various industries, including sports. It also occurs alongside other recent cases in international rugby that challenge the sport's culture around masculinity and respect for women's rights. The broader implications of such legal proceedings emphasize not only the need for a zero-tolerance approach to sexual violence, but also a more profound reflection within sporting institutions for their role in perpetuating harmful behaviors or providing education on consent and respectful conduct. This legal outcome may set a precedent and serve as a catalyst for further discussions and reforms around athlete behavior off the field, urging a re-evaluation of the ethics ingrained within sports cultures worldwide. Thank you for choosing Satori News.